balingana kubase changa chao wekerano ngosi byabale chisuti chigown chiduve chicurtains chicarpet ebikoro tukurwa bidibya bana wikabidibya bantabanene wigo mkuru bale obokoredi wa vacuum cleaning sofa set cleaning ase chinga niko bagutuka imeyo mu cyubusungo nyanjwa hanene gitali ya maiso mbabwate bwigo bokoredi bwa pick up na bwigo delivery asamange bakirisime ase namba 0742178765 Nyota Dry Cleaners, nyota ya usafi.
tariki ni 15 na hiro mutinyi yo gatano gatatu mwaka no wechirubera 25 yomu mwanchomo ligendo kwegena mbiyorando siasuri na ukwanira nabo ukwarigane era mwana maye kyonga chinsenye cyabona botukeliterana seras nyekunde sense moyo menyerero ni gare Wilson Makolitangani anegatika litukokoregana ya sinchira yowe.
And the deployment of resources, you can see clearly this was very well choreographed, it was very well planned. You don't have to be you can tell the amount of resources being involved, the level of mobilization. The leaders in that area who are organizing that had been swearing all week. And no one is arrested these days, no one is charged in a court of law with that kind of violence. The level of impunity has gone to new levels.
Omo konyi bo muraibe kyama gya jubiro muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigesokire na kugikiri kiburaburu ekyo cyabete kikone kiwasa wabatani bekyombe kyalinda mwananchi county ya Homa Bay ya Bwigoro.
Konyora bono twachandikire estimeno ana sitoko iresimi tochugo chacha ntoli konyora mochumbe kirendo che tokoranga twabeire kemise twachandikire eturupome elimbara yari ko rusigwari agende
bamenyi bensemo yambonga hime ya bunge ya West Mugirango nigo bagokere getambukiro kyo mujumbe bwe bunge yo Muske Steve Mugaka asuko babekera a transformer
si oy nyombe go singo korakende go sing koragira buya gusiki ndekitike bwate sita chinsa cho pesa timbwati no mwana yo tetegonsirira bono na sinyurunga kinko mukonya kurinya gitaki aria marete kaja koeni
yamate yemo kurwasi kinyoro keigoma kijauri nyansi onge bunge ya Burabu nigo yaganire go siro elio wakane piri ya Nyakitali asokoleto monchuobo elio komoenia. Karibu homoncho murigereria abantu babere nigo bane kigo siria magima boko bwatikana ne Chiburaburu icho cyabate kikoneke wase county Homa Bay Bwigoro chinga kyabo batani bekyombe kyalinda mwananchi babete ba koletara se county yo ati yaberawo ba siria magima bonko bwatikana ne chingoma chimbe bambete bakanyora Bwigoro mu bisabo banyanyimbo ukwana chinge kijaba nanchi be county yo nigo bagikiruburo Chiburaburu cyase baroko boligo cyasaba na siasa ukora siasa chomorembe.
Ni mbaya sana vile walitenda. Kuna wengine wagonjwa, wengine walipiga wako mchari, kuna wengine wako ward na hata madaktari pia kuna. Sasa ni shida tupu. Mali imepondwa, mali imechomwa, Homa Bay ni mbaya.
Tunaomba siasa ikuwe siasa ya amani. Hii siasa tumeona sio siasa inaweza peleka nchi mbele ama inaweza peleka county mbele. Hao watu wanagombana ni watu walikuwa pamoja, ni watu wa Raila. Wote wanatembea wakiita jina Raila. Na Raila hakuwa anafanya siasa ya kuuana, siasa ya kupigana. Raila alikuwa ni mtu anafanya siasa amani.
We want to win, especially those of us who are in broad-based. If we want to win, we can only win by speaking our ideology, not by beating people. We actually lose people when we are violent.
Ile kitu tuliona kwa barabara, siambi kwa ubaya, ni kifo, nukta ya kifo ya maisha yetu. Tuliomba, tulilia, vitu vyetu viliibiwa, gunzi walitupiga mawe kwa magari, lakini hailipizi whatever we are feeling at the moment, semi kwa ubaya.
And the police were involved. Me personally, I saw a police officer throwing a stone at us. Nimeona polisi, nikasema, oh God, I'm safe. I was surprised. Polisi kutuona, tear gas ya pink na kutuchapa marisasi. Niliona bullet for maisha yangu ya kwanza. Inalia kama star. Chwilililililili usiku.
We want actions. We want investigations. We want accountability. And we want every Kenyan to be able to participate in politics without having to calculate whether they will make it home alive.
Mokonyi bomurabi kyama ya Jubilee musike Dr. Fred Matiang'i niga muchiri serikali asokanda wanchire bikoro bya bone comment kana mono hagemeye ense asa muchiro murabi nso musike William Ruto nababwatani baye hasogotumeka kibura bwere cyo kogendereri hachenda cyabo okwana nso muchyo Nairobi Matiang'i niga hatabiro no murabi ense namanyete kyo kyalenge kogendera hasi county ya Homa Bay muri kitopurani nyakundi rogotirwa sinchira yowekira.
Let's stop this pretense. You know, we are not dealing with a normal situation now in the country. We are not.
Ekero liberera lya gisiasa lyabeire ligochaga korekana aiga Kenya bose wechikura cy'umwaka ogocha nigo abarai ao besokirie na kugikeria kibura buru ekyo cyarorokanete litukulia igoro imeomochie Homa Bay kago kwana nabalikia mangana litukulia rero nigo mokonyi bomurai wekiama kya Jubilee umusike Fred Matiang'i esokia na goteba buna nigo eserikali yanyorire ebintu byekerero byo bigotumeku ne serikali komanya emero bilio yensemo ya upinzani abo igokomanya ase baroberetie goikerana.
They have acquired resources from some criminal groups in the nation country and they are accessing social media accounts of opposition leaders. These days we get trailed, and my staffers can bear me out. We get trailed by vehicles I believe they belong to the state with jammers. We stop to address rallies. Our Wi-Fi is interfered with. You cannot communicate. I was checking with my staffers who were checking with the team that Rigathi Gachagua was traveling with over the weekend. They began experiencing the same challenges on the trail. And these are jammers. I believe this is the work of the state. Who has the capacity to do that?
Kolengana no musike Matiang'i ni gateba buna eserikali nigo yabireke guchakia obutumeki bw'ekibura buru abo igo emeuni eliyoko kosereri balia bale ase ensemo yokwamereria eserikali.
From my experience, I want to tell Kenyans very sincerely, I do not think and I cannot see how the scale of violence in Homa Bay and the activity that happened there could have happened without the knowledge of the National Security Council and without the knowledge especially of the president, because I have been in that environment before. The president receives executive intelligence briefings wherever he is, even if he is in Greenland or attending the UN General Assembly. Such intelligence information is gathered and the president is briefed very regularly.
Umusike Matiang'i nigo boigo ateba buna nigo barobwo buna ensemo yokwamiriria eserikali bagukwana nabo bisabanene asensemo yoburendi abo babeire bako batebya nako baenekeria konyora chinga kichinkongu kurwa ase serikali ekero bagukora emirimo yabo.
We talk to senior officers even in the security sector. They are demoralized, they are so frustrated. Where do we get some of this information? Is senior security officers, some of who talk to us, and they are equally demoralized. They are frustrated. They tell you all these things. They say this is unprecedented.
Ginko lipoteli egetaseni kia getembe iliatariane Brian Nyakundi.
Itaro ya politiko rigoro ime ye kaunti ya Mabei ne kiumbe kialinda mwananchi igitigetabanga ne chingoma kubwatikana ne chigura buru echo chiabete chikwenekiwa okwana rero hime ya kisi omuriki wikiumbe kialinda mwananchi youth league Frida Hunduso nigo bagikeiro gosaganwa na kuboria serikali kurege tambukiro na kubeka byara aho babete bagwikirane chigura buru echo muri kitudibani asanya aroboturu wa Sinchira yobwekira.
Kulinda mwananchi ni kulinda Kenya na sisi ndio Sifuna.
Gukwa na asetaro ya linda mwananchi ime ye kaunti ya Homa Bay tukuliegoro nigabarai bekiombe kiabasae balinda mwananchi besokirie na kugikeria bororo ogosagwanwa kwenegetiwe aboli tukuliegoro.
My name is Frida Hunduso, the SG for the National Youth League. So yesterday we experienced the death of something fundamental in this country. The fourth pillar, the political pillar of the Kenyan political blueprint in this country talks about political liberty, freedoms that you cannot alienate from the people of this great nation. One of them being the individual political rights, the sound governance of the public, and also the representation that Kenyans need in every aspect of their political life.
Gati ya balia babete bagotia amakweli abulitkola igoro.
First of all, I am the survivor of the Linda Mwananchi, on which yesterday tuliona kifo na macho, and I'm not afraid to say that so. Yesterday we were attacked. Hao ni watoto wa watu walikufa. And if you see the people that attacked us, si ati ni watoto wakubwa. They are young teenagers, and these young teenagers wanatumika vibaya.
If you do not agree with Linda Mwananchi, at least agree with the Constitution. Does it not say that everybody has the right for political self-determination? Does the Constitution not give every Kenyan the right to participate in political parties and the political processes of this country?
Ense mjende niko barolekana komochia abarai borogongorwe abubona sebarule kubule uchese serikali koira egetambokero asobwango.
Geoffrey Okalo, and just as my colleagues have spoken, we are speaking as the young people in Linda Mwananchi. And I'll just emphasize on what my brother has said. Ukweli ni ya kwamba we have given the government 14 days. We understand the procedures. You have your 14 days, do your investigations.
Gladys Wanga, our governor from Homa Bay. Failure to arrest them within 14 days, we citizens of this country will take action and arrest these people.
Go talk to the people, see where their heart is.
Yes.
The spirit of Baba is with Linda Mwananchi, and we are not going to relent.
Mwali ojeni gabarai baboliwe gotegereri ogiria bananchi chinga kibagenderete na siasa chiabo.
That moving forward, we will not allow such kinds of leaders to be our leaders.
Yes.
Thank you.
Viongozi wetu. The more mna attack Sifuna, the more atazidi kuwa juu. Na sauti yetu ni sauti ya Sifuna. Na hakuna mtu atastopisha sauti ya Sifuna.
So we are condemning it with strongest ways possible. Ushemeji bado itaendelea. Opondo Kaluma, shame on you. Gladys Wanga, shame on you. Richard Ogindo, shame on you.
Dipon Asanya, Getembe TV.
Ya matemo korua sekenyero keigoma kijaure wodi ya Nyansionge bunge ya Burabu igayesokire na kuganigosirwe elio bakanepiri ya Nyagitari na koroberio matanga yokoania umwanchobo kalangana ni amateyiga hebasiru umwanchobo sirita makali osigetusi yoba korwara sege kegetambe na kubutura mugoraye asabono batikarane piri nene ya Nyagitari muri kitopol kapokara na roboturu asenchira yowekira
Ngoikaga igase kunyure kiga kya igoma zemechiga kya kijauri wadi ya Nyansiongo asitokumira na amone amatiyiga baitumatete basinyire kibago kora kubatakanamo no gusinya kuruberia matanga anyagusira
igesi tatubwate ne semo yechibesa sengenjo twatemire kumioka saba iri nabasani abangange lakini titura ikerigorieria eganeiri
Kulingana mone amatiyiga nyagusira serieta makari usigetusi igaberega kobomoroira segeka asasiru bugema bwaye ni amatiyiga kuburwe nibo unabakwerera
nabaire ngonyoro boko kende nkeyo nakorire ase nyombe gosingo kora kende gosinkoragira buya gusiki ntekitike bwate sita chinsa chos pesa timbwati mwana oyo chete gonsirira bono na sinyurunga kinko mukone kuri nyagitari ari marete kaje kwa ini
nyagusira ntata nero muiburi nabwate bwekeze sina yete timbo atimama use mwana ominto onde bwensi oigure liriande na tere nchebwekeze gusaba mumbu atesinga ni tata yendo ngereke bego osirio muiburi bweka kwa bwate bona bongwe tachira nje bweka iga nagaste yombo ate ndali yande ningora none chianga ninje na murende tenyagitari mbakede kayo mwerio na bana chetua magoro kindoche na magora ninje na hararte na are ward bakede kayo mwere munali miankoro iga na bantigetega
oro nigo besokire na kuburia basamaria bayagocha asenkeje iga na kunyarkoba bakubwatu kobokonyi iyo baruberia matanganya gusirana gwakana chibill chenya gitari
bona nkeye egento toganetie mono kurwa saba minto bari babwateri yanda no bokonyi.
Asante sana se abakubwa barangonya mukubwa osero gafana yeto Nyalibo senata yeto Kongo Mogeni ne women yeto mwari gwanza egende ke mugira ngoro ime
baki oyo ratwara mabia ngonya
asaba minto aria baratwara kwa niko gotokonya namba yesimi nigero 07 97 3 0 0 0 3 8 Marieta Naomi Getusia
inkuripoti ligetaseni kia wanjete kia gatembe kuregastin semechi gacha kenyero kia Igoma kijauri ewadi ya Nyansongo bunge ya Burabwe kaunti ya Nyamira inche gongoro kwa Polycarp Okara
tukula romo wimene pe kaunti ya Kisii Loris donya buli nigo haikirana seskuru ya Nyangoga ime ye bunge ya Bonchari somorebo gosira Bonchari abakabake ne chimashini buna chikawoshi chicharani hamone bintu binde hasi bunge yo mugo yo bare tama bare bare homurengo wa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza igo batena heyane nchire ya moyo kwena na hokwilikia seke kuregeke okina kwibimbe no kwengereri sobogi masebo igo bamwakire koko Muraiwense umuski William Ruto asemere memia abere ka okorera abakenya muri kitodi bane hasanya aroboti rwa senjira yobekera
nase omusangorokano bwa baonchereria bakabake imeye bunge ya Bonchari omuyega oaliganirwa no mu women rep county ya Kisii Doris Saburi anene asokwe empower ebikundi ao asebaba bakwenyonera chimashini chiogosona chechikawash chokorosia chitukia chimaikatamna chi blow dry amo nebintu binde binge.
Wazee wanalala usiku peke yao, saa zingine unapata mama alikufa, mzee anapata baridi. Leo kila mzee ako hapa anaenda na blanketi. Kuna mama mzee alikufa usiku, mama anapata baridi. Leo kila mama anaenda na mzee anaitwa blanketi. Ministry of Gender imetusaidia, kila mama anaenda na besheni na sabuni na sanitary towel. Ministry of Life ya Mweke wametupatia vifaranga ndio watu wetu wafanye farming.
Omoje goyiga oikiranwa na barai ao korwa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Omo permanent secretary of micro small and medium enterprises Susan Mangeni nigobona atebirenga serikali nebwatemero bilie miya anene sekegoliye geke
wa kusaidia watu kuweka pesa mfukoni. Nyinyi vijana wa Nyota, mnajua tulipangana tukawapatia pesa. Sasa leo tunakuja kupangana na wamama pia, si ndio?
Omujumbe okitutu cha Chenot Javet Nyakundi na bwego women rep county ya Nyamira Jerusha Mumanyi nigo besokia na gwakira serikali mbia mono asebate bangeganga yabo enene yokonyora magenderero goikaba bwatisia serikali erabisi Warioye omo permanent secretary Susan nigobona abori abantu bonsi kwibwatirania n'ebikundi ao ili konyora ugusira kurose serikali.
Mheshimiwa, hao watu wote wenye wako kwa vikundi si wote wapangwe tu kwa vikundi, sawa sawa, na tukahapa nataka mpangwe kwa vikundi, sawa sawa, na mkishapangwa kwa vikundi tena tutakuja hapa tulete pesa ingine ya Uwezo Fund, sawa sawa.
Kurega ase bunge ya Bonchari kaunti ya Kisii yanegongorokwa Dipon Asanya
ase waigomo yigo kolekana Bonchari abarai aomba ikirana buno mujumbo kicho cha North Muske Chafet Nyakunde omo konyi gosoyo komokonya omurai wense Faruk Kibeti amo nabatineri biruko abangina kurwasi county nigo baikirana chingake ba mutetulute ase gochiwa chorwa ase ntunde yakabire abaigo ba muira byara gashagwa anyari gotigana na Matiang'i ase ba muburi Matiang'i atigane ne kyama gya Jubire Eliaswe ase serikali muri kitwe Cliff Tyson Manyara arobotirwa senchira yowekera
siasa niko chabwa tainze ase abange bamoira ebyara Rigathi Gachagua ase okoja moche serikali.
Peleke ya ukabila mali anafikiria ni yeye peke yake anapumua na asitishe mtu, na tunataka kuambia kila mtu hii Kenya usitishwe na Rigathi Gachagua. Rigathi Gachagua hata pande ya kwake haimuogopi, kwa hivyo usimuogope, na ikifika wakati wake tutamuonyesha kilichomtoa nyoka pangoni, tutamuonyesha huyo mjamaa.
Umurai bwensi William Ruto nigo akirwa ekoko asumoye goyo Bonchari ase baba bori abanjari bamoe entunda ya kabere.
Omegeko morosenga ntoke omegeko ngeria tuta. Na ndo kwa kubatabinga na kusito kwa ila siko ya serikali. Omonto koro kurigathi. Akona ko batabi batabe one time care mo one time dwarure se Ruto lakini wate 8 ministers bare ase government. GPS kwanyako moihu ago batei borororo mwanyako ihu alafu inuma batei baba uzito ase serikali ama usininki ama usino monto mongaini naende iga broad base notore ase serikali ya William Samoei. Ili tumaliza ukabila lazima turudishe Dr. William Samoei ili Dr. Matiang'i na wengine waweze kutawala 2032.
Omuchumbo kitutu cha North Chafet Nyakundi nigo abori abarai bonsi banyara gukora siasa chomorembe.
Na sisi kama jamii ya Emo Musii, sisi hatuna ukabila. Tunakaribisha kila mtu hapa aje afanye siasa yake, lakini siasa ya matusi, siasa ya kutenganisha watu, siasa ya fitina sisi hatutaki.
Oigo niko bamwakira Doris Donya Toto ekoko anyare gochorwa Bonchari.
Na nimeweza kuona maendeleo yenye amefanya, amesaidia kina mama kwa vikundi, amesaidia vijana, hata nimeona akiendelea kujenga boreholes. Orante, nimekotika mama kungu motanga ni Bonchari. Kana mama endeleze kotina kama kungu motanga ni kala na Nyamira. Orante kama mtu ni kumu gambi. Hata constituency zingine wamechagua wamama kama wajumbe. Mimi ni mjumbe tuta. Na Donya anaomba mjumbe 5 fresh.
Wycliffe Tyson Getembe.
Aso robati rumancho mo ligele atanyo romo timokomo keto kwera tugande ne kyunga sinchira yubikira.
Nyota Dry Cleaners niko bagusibya balingana kubase changa chao wekerano ngusibya bale ekisuti kigaon eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutoka milimo cy'obusongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwasa chi company ao obusi bw'ingano amabuta y'icingeni kurwasa chi company ao amajani kurwasa company ya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt egati ibintu binde binge bwigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwasa company ya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabego ni chirangi ao nkonya bale black sheet egati ibintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro totigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolere ibintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Uhuru Complex eyuerange na magacho Safaricom wigo no tukutuka sakuru ku JM Towers angena Credit Bank ime yomu chobosongo bakere simgwetra seti namba chabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Karibu naende humwancho mo ligerelia matuka makema ya transformer konye kubakonya abantu kurwase binyoro bya mongolisi na bwengembo nga himeye wodi ya bwichora kugwerwa n'umute kwirira hokuboro gwestima sekinseme cya sekagicwi kibere igo hari tukularero besoke na korokya mu kobogochi asomo jumbe w'ubunge ya West Mugirango Muske Steven Mugaka aso wesoke kwa bongo mono kubakonye iliyo kwiraniriwa estimeyo kurengana n'abamenyabo ni gobateruna asingake babeta somosunte igo beteritama kongo aneno goturubaniwa kwe biasara bya bumuri kitifatiga December arabotirwa sinchira yowekira
konyora bono twachandikire estimate no ana sitoko ire simi tochugo chacha ntori konyora
abo nabamenyi bekenyoro kya embonga imeye wodi ya bugichora ebunge ya West Mugirango abo bayesokire nakoro kya omogokobo maega yokwiraniriwa transformer eyo yabetege kugwerwa no mote amatuko amake ahetire
kenyoro ki tongmongoris lakini bona igo turese kenyoro kya embonga ase transformer ito yabe ko yogweru no mote ikaba ke ko sareka ase chigwikibere chahetire
Ejeiga negatie mechando eyubabete bagwetera chinga kyecho babeire bakoba asomosunte
ndigonta getukoira nili umwezi miungambia muno sana nimbwata gatinga iga gestima muna kurugeze kagenda no ene ko nini entetere na nyakonyora lakini akaro twa ko bisi ya CDF umwezi miuna asurugete bwangu sana na koira ni estima mara moja mnabona igando jinganda mwakire ngambia muno nje nigonda irandelinga na ende bono akaro na ende to kujikorigire na ende bacholi bonde bwa kabere gotora moire tutam
ndo bwate petrol station iga ya mafuta haringi ari ko mafuta rende igo ekiagera amafuta petrol egutumika umurero igontu abo no boko ngumbaro batugete chingoko chinyomba babegete igachiasareka baro babwate chindagiro babegete chi fridge chiasareka
nonye nabo nigo abamenya baiga bairere chinga kechi na gwaka byago cyaso mubunge o West Mugirango Muske Steven Mugaka ase okwimukya igitambukiro kya bwangu mono ase okubainyora
umuchumbe Steve Mugaka akaira atwa itukelike gima kibundi kigacha mambiaye kigache kene kigatokonya transform ye yabeire paka twa roriro muriro bona igembonga
saitoga bugichora embonga chumbo itokorire merime menene gotokorera ari gaciengia kuna boniga mochumbe kirendo chetokoranga twabeire kemise twachandikire eturupome elimbara yari korusigwa ari agende lakini Steve otoiraneirie kuno mochumbo ito igo ntunto mwanjete ndwanjete Steve ase mirimo ya gokora
aiga boigo batumeka ribageriga akomoboria omubungo uyu Muske Steven Mugaka kogendera boigo kubakonya
egwaya nere rusiri mata era ini goika pakageta abayibi bajete botuko karanje gaki atororere gose na nyare amone transforme ya tebu karegetio ngomate
Nebi rengererio kurase abamenyi abaiga bekenyorokia embonga mongorisi maiga yokwiranirigwa transforma kurase abisi yo mujumbe o West Mugirango Mosque Steven Mugaka transforma eyo yabetege kugwirwa no mote hingo reportera getembe kuraiga se kenyorokia embonga mongorisi eye gotoka meye ward ya Bugichora ebunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira Njefa Tigad Yesemba
Mohora kĩama gĩa BRP Martha Karua nĩ igarũrũko bũrĩgo chia sabasubati gwecokia sobunge ĩrĩokorana birogo abibura ya soba chole bonene bũrĩ mutugo mwaka w'ikiro 2025 nyamaga yebitange bike bire aroro okwana somu sangerekano yo bareta hamo abajumba basubati inse ye kiombe kyake wopa ime yo mucho Nairobi Karua nĩ igarũrũko bũrĩgo chi sabasubati korokyo bomo nonye bakurwanire kirogo ekemo.
How many women are in this cabinet? And how many cabinet members could you honestly say are performing the male members so that you now weigh in on the women? I want to see a comment criticizing the entire cabinet and criticizing each one of them for actions not based on their gender. But we are so quick, even parliamentarians, the total number of women out of a parliament is both Senate and National Assembly. Of 416, the women are 70? 102. They are 102, including those specially elected. Out of 102 out of 416 is less than a quarter, or just about a quarter. But who is seen as not working? Have you seen online anybody suggesting we scrap parliament? But there are so many suggestions that we scrap the women's seat. So the women are the ones not working. The way I'm also sometimes disappointed in the women's response to women issues. But I do not judge them alone. I judge the response by parliament to women issues. Why? Every member of parliament, every elected leader, including the president, is a women representative. 50% of their constituency is who? Is women. So as you go hard on women, on yourselves, ask what the totality of parliament is doing on women's issues. Your voices must remain louder than everybody else. But I will not let people give unfair criticism to the women's voices, which are totally inadequate, because a critical mass should be close to almost 200. It should be 150, 180 there. You are already crushed by what you are seeing. But women also, just remember, if you are on X, there is a B button. B means block. Do not give someone airtime to insult you. So that's a fast response. But we need, as women, because it's already out there, whenever you see gender-based, I don't care what the woman has done, but don't insult her on the basis of her.
Na so roboturu manchomo rigena nongwe kiromo ilibo mwana mayeye kiunga chinsenye chiabo no botukeletera nesera sikunde sense moyo manyerero ni galinge Wilson Makoliyo ne kichibicha na moleo chira senchira yobo ikirano galinge DJ Arsen nago sabiro twaro boligera na boygo botuko robya
Pagaka ninjo, ninjo remembe, ninjo dorome, mangana mati, pagina ninjo.
Ine kebe nkiaba nyene tatona. Kebe nkiaba nyene. Ose mutara mangana yar kuru meri mayo. Amangana kuru esa baba minta baba itaba. Aba koloti aba itobara ali ba mito ali ngaba nene. Ba ni bitunu rogoraje. Atumo bate ko montawa no mobe. Ngono ko ja tebya umugusi intumu wa mugusi wo mwana getinga endo to tebinga uso mukaba no itoka simbarati no mobe oyo na kwa mojore no ko simati ani no mobe ngo so so oyo muntu tali oli mobe ko era kebe nkiabanye oyo mobe onero oyo ito oyo mobe ngora de no mobe mware kyaro mwako yo ko moinari nga omobe ko ino mobe omobe no yo kebe kyabanyene datondane umwana uyo bandoro janga nomo mwana akabomwe noyo atabe ate nomo ngachikorusyo no twamuruzi yo kabere mwamuruzi kuche mwamuruzi kebe kya aurinale nabanyene aho mukusiya terete
Agaka ninjo, ninjo enembe, ninjo dorome, mangana mati, bangina ninjo.
Nyota Dry Cleaners ndiko bakusibya balingana eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutoka mu cyo busongo nkone bare